Okay.
Alright. Seeing how the cameraman messed up the first time and y'all missed half of this, because the device he was using, the storage was completely full.
Oh, yeah.
And camera's right there at this end. Okay. No, yeah, you can do it like that. That way you ain't covering up. We got an 06 Dodge Caravan. CV axles started clicking when turned sharply. As you can see, the boot has busted, is leaking. This is your boot. This is your boot right here. There's another one on the inside where the ball joint's at.
Yeah, we gotta rip that out of the transmission. Well, not rip it out.
Yeah, pretty much rip it out.
Okay, now I see.
Who's gonna go out there and get it, the other CV axle?
Here.
All right, you're gonna have to get a pry bar and go under there with it. You're gonna have to pry it, pop it out of the.
Pop it out. So,
Yep.
Okay. There's one, I think. That's really close.
Yeah, cameraman's going after. So we gotta get
alright, where's my hole at? Right here?
Does that work?
Right here.
Hey, Dakota. Logan's got your Aiden's got your pry bar.
I think it'll be too big to be standing up.
Catch it on the side.
I think I'm getting at the right angle. Yep.
Yeah, can't go down. It's too big.
Well, go find you a small one. Can you get that in there?
I have to pull out.
Hey, listen to me. You don't want to catch here on the boot. You want to catch back here on the...
The actual solid right here.
Yep.
Under here, there's a tank right there that looks really greasy.
Yeah, it's a little pan. We got a little oil rig.
And it looks like the oil filter's muddy.
Alright. There it is.
Got it. Oh, shoot, my ear.
Oh, no.
Alright.
My ear.
Easy popped out. Stay right
I don't
there.
think the filter looks too good.
Hey, stay right there. Aiden,
Yeah.
go get me the new one off the porch.
Hey, bring a paper
Okay.
towel.
Yeah, and once you bring it to me, bring some paper towels down here.
Thank you. Just got on my ear. Hey,
Alright,
Dad,
hurry up. Bring me that axle so I can get back
I
in
don't
here.
think this oil's looking too good either.
Why? Nice and red?
No, it's got grease shattered everywhere.
Yeah. It's going to have some grease.
I didn't think this thing was this heavy.
Take it out of the box.
Don't drop it.
Get it here.
Oh, she's peeing.
Okay, now the paper towels are right here.
Here. Hold this because he's going to get greasy, oily anyhow. So just put that down for right now. Hold on, let me get back here into the...
Oh man, it's leaking
Duh.
really bad. It looks like.
This is gonna happen.
Yeah, same ones.
Okay. Looks like it's already a bit rusty.
And they can sit and get a little surface rust on them. Yes, they got it. I can fit back through there to you.
This is actually looking pretty easy. So the CV axle is all we had to replace.
Here. I'm beat it in.
Yeah, CV axle is all we need to replace.
I can go in my head.
She's in.
Yeah, and you pop that out a little bit.
Huh?
Pop that out a little bit. No, then it's supposed to go.
I don't know if I can get in there.
You could, it's just the boot sucked in. Yeah, it's sucked in on both sides. I don't know.
Alright. Don't do like I just did and checking to see if it's in place. Pull out too far on there. The boot vacuums in behind the knuckle and you got to crawl in there and squeeze the boot and work with it to get it back in joint. But pretty much basically real simple. This is the original. This outer side was starting to pop every time we turned the steering wheel left or right, really sharp. It would start binding up and popping. These are held in by a little collapse ring right here that you can see. And you can get you a pry bar or a hammer and get it on this back side, and with someone gently pulling against it can pop this out, and that spring will spring down and slide out. The new one slides back in.
I don't want to come back out, actually.
You'll hear it click, and don't pull too hard pulling back out, because you will just pull the socket out of the joint, and it's a booger to get back in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start putting this all back together. First things we're going to do is we're going to start splining this back in.
I got a better view down here anyway.
And we've been out here, me and my boys have been out here probably, what do y'all say, probably 30-40 minutes.
Yeah.
Already pulled it apart, got that old one out, got the new one going back in.
Not that hard unless you know how to do it.
And probably about 15-20 minutes we'll have it all back together. On these, you can see where the arm was setting. You can get them back in close, but you will probably need to get a front end alignment done, because this is part of your caster and can't.
Wait, is that welded?
It's heat treated.
Heat treated.
And so we'll put it back together. If you're seeing this on TikTok, full video will be on YouTube. There's a link in my bio to the full video of it. So we'll get this back together real quick.
Okay.
Here, grab that bolt. Other side. Other side.
You go through?
Close enough.
Need the hammer.
There we go.
I have to pick up and slide all the way in.
Ready?
Yep. There you go.
Actually, these are, see those little grooves right there?
Yeah.
That's made to go in and lock so this nut don't spin, this bolt don't spin.
Yeah.
And so you have to actually, those are kind of a press fit. That's why they go back in a certain way, because of it being a press fit. Don't do it on me. Alright, so we've had this aligned, and the bolts give you a pretty good.
That rotor looks so rough.
It's just rusted. Nothing rough about it. Alright, one more up here.
You can kiss my
22.
What?
No music.
Oh no. We'll do something.
Don't want to be demonetized, and we're not even monetized yet.
Wait, why's that?
Because copyrights to the music.
Nice skating, he sold me.
Vice grips.
They're right there.
Well, you can wait because we kind of got something doing with the car. I'm gonna go pick the foot.
Why would it be in the van?
I don't know. Boys had it in there sometimes.
You had it last.
And I remember Cody taking it from me, and then he put it somewhere.
Alright, then we got a whole stack of stuff here. We got a washer that goes on right here. We got this nut. Fresh spring in the washer.
You forgot that sucker out?
Is that on your thing?
Look at the, yeah, because we have it over on the breaker.
Give me the ratchet this time. It'll be a little bit faster since I'm tightening it down. You go put it back in park.
I already did. And turned off the heat. What is that cat?
Hey, go tell him.
What?
Yeah, that's what you say. Uh-huh.
This is a horse. Wow.
Alright, go ahead and pause it, Aiden. Alright, we've torqued these. Always look up and see what your torque specs are on them, because they could be different on any vehicle. And what we're trying to do now is find where the slot lines up so we can put the key. This is a locking cap for it, and this is a Carter key that we're going to stick through here to lock the locking cap so the nut can't come loose.
Accidentally pressed the button.
Huh?
Accidentally pressed the button.
So did you catch that the first time?
Yeah.
Sorry, our cameraman's still kind of new at it.
Still trying to figure out how to do it without pressing the button.
We're using an iPad right now because we don't have a camera yet. Hopefully we'll get a camera one of these days. If y'all will subscribe
I'm glad you have a YouTube account.
and we get the money,
Yeah.
we're gonna gradually upgrade our stuff to newer and newer stuff.
Yeah, I heard y'all were talking about building a shop today.
Yep, we're talking about building us a shop.
Ooh. Like over there beside the barn?
It's gonna be where the barn is right now because the barn got hit by a tornado.
Ooh. No
Took
wonder
the
it's
roof-
like that.
Took the roof off of it.
They're gonna take the barn apart? Or
So we're gonna tear it down. My grandpa built that barn back when I was.
Grandpa. Like,
Yeah.
is that Grandpa Roman?
No, it was grandma's daddy.
Oh, okay. He built it, and then what?
He built it, and
What was it supposed to be? Like, what is he?
It was
use
supposed
for?
to be a barn.
it is what it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be a barn,
Okay.
and grandpa built it. And unfortunately, a storm come through and
I don't know, but I have lots of stuff out of my hair.
took the top off of it.
Okay, who's?
Weird.
Why is that trailer down there?
All right, now we're putting everything back together. Putting the ABS. Just want it snug. Make sure it lines back up on the teeth right there. Don't over tie it and break it.
Wait, can you cross that to like that?
Can you cross thread it? Yes.
Does that break it?
Strip it. It'd probably strip it more than it would break it. Alright, hook back up here. You getting tools out from under there?
Yeah. What is this? Oh. Hey, Dad, you want a surprise?
No, I don't want a surprise, Dakota.
Okay. Hey, Aiden, you want a gift?
No.
It's on the Christmas tree.
And always remember which way the ball joints are supposed to go back in. Because I was trying to stick it in from the bottom. It comes from the top. Hence the reason you fit too good.
Looks like a crown.
Is that a crown nut?
Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Y'all both were right. Very good job. Well, it's actually a crown nut. Some people call it crown nut. It's also considered, most people call it a castle nut.
Alright.
Because it looks like the
I
top
have
of a
something
castle.
to tell you about the car since we're under the car and I seen it.
Okay.
I think I might have broke the windshield fluid line. That car.
Okay.
Yep. I started losing fluid like crazy, but it didn't smell like anything major. It smelled like water. So it might have been my transmission, my windshield wiper fluid, because I ain't got no windshield wiper.
Check the radiator on it.
I ain't checked nothing. I was waiting till you got home, because I was scared. I thought I broke something.
Well, you know, if you break something, the only thing you gotta do is fix it.
I don't know what it was, so that's why I left it alone. In case I break it more.
Well, you can only break it so far.
Makes sense.
You can only break something so much. Once it's broke, no matter how bad you break it.
I think that's just me going over the bumps a little too hard.
Yeah, that's part of living on a dirt road.
It's literally right there in the passenger fender.
Alright. Cameraman, you are holding up progress because you're sitting on the last piece I need to put this back together.
Looks like I need to get up off the tires.
Stab the thing in the floor.
I don't know.
Your sister.
Sounded like the cutter was over there groaning.
This YouTube channel,
Someone.
some kids are gonna start watching it from school, and I'm gonna get shot out for it. Oh well.
Well, if you
Hey, I've been trying to.
What's that piece go to?
that is the original nut off that last
Okay,
axle.
just making sure we
Okay.
don't forget a part.
I've been trying to tell us.
Always a good thing to check for spare parts. But, you know, you're a good mechanic when you take something apart, put it back together, and you got spare parts and it still runs like it's supposed to. You're a pretty good mechanic.
As long as it's built sturdy.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
I've been trying to
I'll show you after we get
tell my friends. I kept on telling them I had a YouTube channel and they didn't believe me, and I kept on telling them. And finally, they actually subscribed to me. They said, so I
That's
don't know.
what they say. Now, if they did it,
I gotta
that's
go-
another thing.
I haven't checked it yet, so
You can actually see who's all described to you. It's just a really hard way to get to it. What'd you just throw?
But anyway,
I got blood in my hand.
Alright, we're going to ooga these on and then put a torque wrench on them.
I know.
Finish torquing them down. And take her for a test run, see how she works, see if she quit clicking. Alright, thank y'all. If you're seeing this on TikTok, the full version will be on YouTube. Link in the bio. Set it down.
see y'all later.
I hate this. My hands.
Bye, y'all.